me kwa Amenfi West me ne NDC MP o ye ko bon komo ye bon komo pa na komo ne ye ba be wie wo studio ha because asanko enye
mama akwaba wa friend me adwoa searching mesren na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news ebusuafo ya titi a o ye journalist e wo Onia TV e no kase na o kire say Amenfi West MP no ye huta na ebusuafo ansa me de ensema ya titi be kan bebre wo no Amenfi West locate ewo Western North. Western North NDC for almost stronghold. As I'm talking to you now, nipo ye MP ewo Amenfi West NDC ni. Na ebusuafo ya titi o se Amenfi West MP no wa mo no modern huta. Enyo no nko awo. NDC for MP omo Western North obi embo huta wa ban wa your friend say pawo wa ban ni pawo ombo huta kwabena minta akando ena ho kekafo ho omo parliament house was wontie baabi a no na fi Western North nso omo akwan not me call Western North 2001 imagine Western North 2001 dey hotel insuta kan ko na kan ba apinfu wuti say sebio manus na so moa because omo akwan yenye enso Western North fo o de sena na do aya akwan ama omo so better NDC won want be bia NDC abe rule Ghana for 27 years almost strong hold na den tin the Voltarians for wani ate NDC for the say won nim say sa area ha no omo ye ase omo we chi kakra won nim one left from omo right nti ye capture ha dia na ya capture ha ye mpuntu dwuma ya mpuntu dwuma mewi ne afi dia mafo ani ate ya titi o se den Amenfi West omo abobra enye ndan ko nya NPP pencil omo pencil ko omo mobra Western North omo ye mobopo na Western North kwa de I am not expecting say this on better aba NDC or Western North say development plan and Ghana for headed to abadia Western North the kahon ka tiatiti ene na kaniye na ohene babu ama na oti power FM na sebio nkwasi atamidi nkwa na wodi no wodwo ha wonte ase so ohene babu ama no ede na ha enda ba omi aye say enda na pa aye say ne wo so wantete nti obi adi atem na wo kan na wo so wodi ni panatem rough basabasa te say the wadwenye ohene babu ama te national radio so kasa as if saying so shini jina nichiri okani titiri into NDC for can't you do politics without insult and mu ni and mu to me all why never bo am call constituency so also we school say was me school was serious as at 2009 2009 now ehn for no power NDC and NPP mo kan kire me so Western North mo kan not say say mu bibia not and then another buy wa be mamon region amon for kan fi into family ma e mata kwa ne meye mo ne ama uti radio so na wudi na na do na NPP atem politics amu ye mu hwe ne ya mbebe samo ti atiti me I put it to you say by this time no NPP pension one well friends Amenfi West MP no one bono ho bra titi na bono ho bra yenti ensema yatiti ede etuya na yatiti ede ensem we betuya na Ghana fu bin so Amenfi West fu bin so man plan mo HS na afu na kasa NDC for marry e wo ha yenti ensem o kai o chese Amenfi West is NDC strong constituency Gyimie they can't develop the area this year is for NPP NDC is just useless the ensem way and Ghana fu bin so ede amayatiti as reply
people he claimed they are not good, and you follow A+. When this boy was stealing Ghana's money, yes, I'll call it stealing, because my name certificate to be a war. Next, say, and penny for man, the crime man left oil, and money benyesta, manager say, or you nipati on one papa didn't be yes. Seriously. because we're born no mama ye. Because we did campaign nimu ako perform with stage so. Now there shame before ni say. One more artists one now who rally as obi ajiska. When they finish, they pay them. Me say. Say musician be NDC or NPP. No can tell me say or come mountain stage, you know, wanya den and yes can okoje. Boy, Safantini boy, ya no so he said not na chase London boy man hit after sa hit no ontumi nya hit bio. De bia na mu on na mu sa batemfa. Your friend say Nero X. And you only afeku, Katrina afeku, and I campaign 2016. I campaign 2020. And also about Mama Mahama. Only the young one said, man. Na Kimpaluta dear, or never will could drop picture. Hey, we'll be parking in Munche. That is the type of people they are. That is the type of people they are. You set up an entertainment platform hosted by the beautiful Nanama McBrown. We're beginning to see talents and some young crop way because they been in a live band the book near the idea you hunin in anka crack yet discussing entertainment issues. Yeah, who the yeah. Hey, a good for you be saying na kwasia bull hen or some bull pig no or not to go court case. And I'm pushing Nana McBrown into more court cases to the point that she couldn't take him no more. So she said, no, enough is enough. Said Juma say na mo pesa mo me dia United Showbiz na mendam baby you. Oh nana ma yare obeba Enso na yare bi no yare. She was fed up of the bullshit you were trying to do with Kwame Plus and the rest. How do you give me a panel that has Kwame Plus? Has Mr. Logic, has Bulldog, has Miss G, has Ola, has Abeku Santana. These are real political activists. Akwesia Buaje for NDC. You go and put them there, and sadly, MPP ni beba no the Diana Samoaba. Now, Oma Cambrofuna Gunuswa, but Sister Diana, so yeah, dear, the beer of fighting on. You sit there, set up a program just to destroy people. Now you see what it is. Now, Mama Yasha debut. Minim say men kwana mi hu sa de na. But in Kamia say, Omwa sebio, omu dim penifo atem tie. Womo mu twan tro de sen krofo no. Okom hasma no modwa. I don't know, samusuma hu sa meba. I don't know if you guys have also noticed that. But Obi Bia it's like Obi Bia or Penko for Honsem can be ano. O can Honsem na. Have you guys noticed? Obi Bia would do concern Eke can crofo Tibom Biano. O can Hansem get to be pepe. Neptune na. Someone Sammy Jenfi. Why na Sami Jenfi ndi na tem Ghana? Why bonipa ba kwa Sami Jenfi ndi na tem Ghana? Where did you almost everybody attempt? Facts. But ono there okoka no asem ketua bi no aba no aba na ninja and I tell you this, I tell you that no I am no say. Kofi Dro ya sa Gyimie for pastor ya we or come say krama ya wa bre Gyimie for no. Also sa ke kan kwase asam sa wo kan wasam anu wadwa. It's like that. You see, they are bullies, and usually bullies can't stand bully. Uti the American. Omo you bullies, and bullies cannot usually stand their type. Opa sama marking the baby. Bullies can never stand their type because onu bullying crofo two bully na ya. And if you first nigga can wo Kwame Plus or same way. We have Kwame Plus. And he said with Valentine, the love and the bond. Of course, you have just say so many things. Now we are a few was Megan who you know no Kwame Utie and Pennyfua, what do you know? Kwame Medina just getting now when you na. Yen mu bi ne ese wu say sa onkwase case say yan so ko so ba no atini baby. Na sa oba no so no enam Gyimie kakra wo ni mu nti no osori ano aba na ho political ndi say ne ye de ne be fra mutie akosu ya vi wani anya de wo ma won di won ni na wukunu akwaji hu skenti kwaje kakra na ye de ma wo na sua sika kese na nka so no na set ma wo ene wa bra boy aye won se wakọ ware kwase anu ho ene won nyenyem na we ya enkrade enko we social media di o eba we na ye show no kwa me plus ba we ya omo kan wasem na we social media di keke dia wako didi o nkurase Ajiji ayi hairdresser store ameme mayen mutie woni a wedidi do on kran kuma se ne ade won dose keke na eja ma ni bebre no eja di baby onu su didi no no ntu on peso obese na ba ko apie me dia me mamoa 2 months going mo bete ne am ebe pie. When you live in a glass house you don't throw stone. Brebi ana wo de wo ho kwame wo de wo ho twitwibo no na ye ka kirew se kwame jayo jai na brebi ene wa wo de afia so asene gade ye wo ena me ka kire Ghana fo ni na enye sa akola ne pe wa wo rough sa bebre sise wuram kwasi Yabisana has the guts to talk about morality and Ghanaians support such a fool for what? Let's get serious. Let's get serious. What change has Kwame A Plus been able to effect? What impact has he had? He is not a John Dramani Mahama. He is not a Nanado. He is not Nkrumah. He is none of them. What has he been able to do? What impact has he brought into the space he finds himself? Either than enriching himself with the consensus he gets from politicians. But on the young man free range. Now, on bedding for them, and then the same security people you are begging them to protect you, where there's the same security people you were insulting a week ago. Monkwasi aduane ne monkwasi sika mu bedi ntino nipa ni bebre adwene nya adwuma na nka mene wo na nka mabisa se kwame yesare wo kura de anka guru no kura bo so chen e ba ne sen kwanya Ibrahim Mahama mama ne kas nye nyankrofo tu kwaje mpanifo ni bi ka no de aba event ase no de be twa ne ho na etale kwame wo live o that is all. But all hype on the sano at the end of Ghana ni akwada no wunya awum mo am TikTok mo tap screen so ne yanko at the end of Ghana ni nya awum ekufadu asai Ghana e na make say kurase ni e wuko wukro mu a wukurase nkoda no e bi ko school na bisa ho say sense Ghana and yetimi ya free education nkoda na ikono na hwan botom na nka sense Ghana beko A+ botom. Because of the no bembe politicians, it will be could dim conconsa or be could dim tro. Mumbisano, what was the solution for S-Gracia? Nothing. I will complain about it, but I have nothing to show for. The same person fighting S-Gracia is now fighting to go be at a place where Kwame Asari A+ would also get what? S-Gracia. You are there following this nonsense. Onipa no say embrace bedwafo no omudi esika embrace bedwafo ni ese embrace bedwafo ni ese no and then ono so opese okoye embrace bedwani o pe ba bi de no hwa eden ase na wo Ghana ni anya hwekura no sabio wo de ompe free education but TVET technical vocational education ebrochire de bia meka won ye won sa no dwuma ekom ne yeda ebrochire wo ye hairdresser ayacha ubedidi se wo nya kwadofo ba na kwadofo ba ma nko ade a hairdresser ubedidi ebrochire wo so wo pam ade especially utume pam eyi ase kaba ne wedding ne hwan kaba ubedidi ebrochire utume ye makeup nkakra ubedidi ensa no twuma na Ghana ni a wo hwe me emre bia na atwamuko senior brother yedini kosua mechanic keke mechanic fita wo kosua fita keke sika yede to snap we ko to the things ama master kwadwo na wa kire no sebe mechanic no na ebi ni ho Ghana Ghana ye krobia ye tiri mu den na ye krampa de pa. Ye tiri mu den na ye krampa de pa because every be buy am say what the awusi wo ye ti bonko so. Enti wuntumi nsua de no problem. Wo de obesua nsa no dwuma. Nsa no dwuma awusi wo pese usua ne say wo pese wo koye den hairdressing. Akosiata sika na wo maami ninti ye ntumi ankotu tinsa. Enti ye maamu do efuo edua aburo etutu ye eton ye ansana eburo no kura wa ne ye de so a wo ko odwom ekoton eburo no wo to eburo no ye sika ba ye no ene ye de koto snap edukotu utinsa udikosu hairdress edu ba bia sebe de ade be kokora no unya enti na so otumi tena fie ye be nwa na bra preko bi wo ho na ono so achewa yo ya o na adwuma no wensu enwi o